Hello, everyone. Welcome today the second puzzle, and we have a speed test. Speed test, first Friday of the month, Friday, December the 3rd, 2021. Told you earlier, every first week of the month on Friday, I will do a speed test. So the second puzzle I will do is a heavy Heavy Sudoku, number 3774. Alright. And this one should be a hard one because 24 printed digits. 24. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, this will be a 4 stars puzzle. Let me. Normally more than 30 minutes or more. My time limit. But speed test without any instructions, so let's get started. Four. Wow. Two. Okay. Five. Eight. Nine. Okay. Two. Five. 3, 5. 519. 1. 1. 5, 9. 5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. 6, 8, and 9. 2. No, 1, 2, 3, 6. 3, 6. Ooh, 9, 5. Okay. Here, 6, 8. 5. Oh, double. Wow. Correction. Come on. Correction. Correction. Should be here 5. So here, need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. 9. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. 7, 9. 1. 1, 5. 1, 5. That means this 2. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9, 6. 9, 6. 9, 6. Okay, I'm expecting a lot of pairs, but 2. Oh, yes, 2. 6, 8. 6, 8, and the 3 should be there. 1 and the 2. 3, 8. and a 9, 3, 8 and 9, 3, 3 and a 9, 6, 8, 8. Oh, again. Wow, too fast for filling the numbers. Made a mistake again. 8, 8, 8. What number is this? 6. What number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Surprising 5. So this should be the 5 here and the 1 here. 8 and the 3. Okay. 187. 187. 187. Yeah. How about these? 179. 179. 79. 7997. Here we have a 9, so this should be a 9. This should be a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 8. Should be the 8 here. 3 and a 6. 8, 3 and 6. Here should be the 3, 3, 6. 3, 6 and 7. 7 should be here. 8 and here the 1. 8 and blah, 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 blah. 8 and come on. 6. We have the 6 there. 8. This number should be a 9. Yes. 9, 7, 7, 3, 3, 8. Finish in 7 minutes. Wow. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this was the last one. I have switched those numbers. 8 and 3, yes. Now it's finished. 8 minutes. Okay. So this should be an 8. Double check. So this one is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Wow. Sometimes too fast is not so good. But I've switched those two numbers, 8 and a 3. Otherwise it was 7 minutes. But I'm pleased with the time. And I like this. Why? Because once in a while you need to do a speed test to train your brain think faster. Yes, for the next level. So each time you do this, you will be faster and faster. Train your brain, and I will do this every first week of the month on the Friday. Yes. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Both PDF files, yes, the light and the heavy one. And I will see you later with the extra puzzles, not in today's newspaper, no, in the yesterday's newspaper. So maybe in the evening I will continue. Until now, thank you and bye bye, and have a great and fantastic Friday. See you soon. Bye bye.